Lillian, do you love your new dress from Mama? I love it too. It's so pretty. I love it. It's gorgeous. I love the colors and I love the rickrack. It's just gorgeous, especially with your hair. Yeah. Do you see that fan? What else is going on today? Just the usual? Did you eat some carrots? You did? Oh, good. Good for you. Did you eat some potatoes? Did you eat some rice cereal? You did? Oh, I love that dress. It's gorgeous.